In the next 48 hours, XRP could see a massive shift that could change everything for investors and crypto enthusiasts alike. But what's driving this sudden urgency? The answer lies in a major move made by none other than Donald Trump, and it could have a huge impact on the future of XRP. For months, the crypto market has been waiting for a clear signal from high-profile figures, and Trump's recent actions might just be the game changer everyone has been anticipating. His move is being seen as a pivotal moment that could either send XRP soaring or cause a major shakeup in the market. With just 48 hours left to act, the clock is ticking for anyone looking to make the most of this opportunity. Why is Trump's move so important right now? Well, his influence could play a role in shaping XRP's future, from its legal standing to its value and market presence. As news spreads, the ripple effect, pun intended, is already being felt across the market, and XRP's price could shift dramatically. Whether you're holding XRP considering buying or waiting to see how things unfold, the next 48 hours will be crucial. The decisions you make now could have long-lasting effects on your investments.
So, with the clock running out, the question is simple. Are you ready to act before it's too late?
The next 48 hours could be the most important period for XRP in its entire history. And you won't want to miss what happens next. So what exactly is Trump's move? And why is it creating such a stir in the crypto world? Recently, Trump has made headlines by taking a strong stance on the future of cryptocurrencies, specifically targeting regulations that have been in the spotlight for some time. His latest actions could potentially lead to changes in how cryptocurrencies like XRP are viewed and treated by regulators. He has spoken out about the need for clearer, more favorable laws that could open the door for digital currencies to be more widely accepted and adopted in the mainstream financial system. But it's not just his words, it's the influence he wields in the political and economic arenas that makes this move so significant. Trump's stance has sent a clear signal to lawmakers and financial institutions, pushing for a shift in how digital assets are regulated. For XRP, this could mean a loosening of the legal restrictions that have been holding it back. For months, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been battling the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, over whether XRP should be classified as a security. This has led to uncertainty, and XRP's price has fluctuated as a result. If Trump's push for clearer regulations succeeds, it could mean that XRP's legal battles will be resolved in its favor, potentially removing a major roadblock for the cryptocurrency. In essence, Trump's actions could be the catalyst that pushes XRP into a new phase of growth. But here's the catch: the next 48 hours are crucial. If the political environment shifts quickly in XRP's favor, we could see a surge in demand for the cryptocurrency, which could send the price skyrocketing. On the other hand, if the legal and regulatory battles continue to drag on, the market may remain uncertain and XRP's price could experience more volatility. Investors are holding their breath, waiting for the next steps, but the reality is that we're in the final countdown. Whatever happens in the next 48 hours could be the turning point that sets XRP on a path toward long-term growth or creates further setbacks. The decision of how to act now could determine how you're positioned in the market when this crucial moment unfolds. With just 48 hours to go, the question on everyone's mind is, how could this sudden shift impact XRP's price, and what should you do about it? Well, there's a lot riding on these next few days. If Trump's push for regulatory clarity succeeds, we could see XRP break free from the legal constraints that have been holding it back for so long. As the uncertainty surrounding its legal status is cleared up, we could witness a dramatic increase in investor confidence. This, in turn, could drive demand for XRP as more institutions, businesses, and individuals look to take advantage of the clearer, more stable environment. The price could rise sharply as investors rush to get in before the market fully reacts to the positive changes. But the urgency isn't just about XRP's legal situation. If the momentum builds and more people see XRP as a viable regulated asset, the price could potentially surge past previous highs. Experts have predicted that XRP could be in line for a major price boost, and there's a chance that the next 48 hours could see a rapid pump as people act quickly to secure their position in the market. If you've been on the fence about whether to buy, now might be the time to act. With such a short window of opportunity, getting in early could mean the difference between securing XRP at a relatively lower price or missing out on a possible explosion in value. For those already holding XRP, this might be the moment to consider your next move, whether that's holding onto your investment with the expectation of a price jump or preparing to cash out and lock in profits. However, it's important to remember that while the potential for a price surge is there, it's still possible that the market could react differently. With the volatility of the cryptocurrency space, nothing is guaranteed. Even with positive news, XRP's price could experience fluctuations or even pull back if the broader market sentiment shifts. So while it's tempting to make a move based on the hype, it's crucial to weigh your options carefully and consider the risks. The next 48 hours could set the stage for major gains, but it's equally important to be prepared for the possibility that the market might not react as expected. In short, the countdown is on. Whether you're buying, holding, or waiting to see how things play out, these next 48 hours will be pivotal for XRP. The decisions you make now could have a lasting impact on your investment, so act quickly and stay informed as this major development unfolds. Don't let this moment pass by without considering how it could affect your position in the market. The clock is ticking and time is of the essence. As we approach the final stretch of this 48-hour window, it's essential to recognize the risks and challenges that come with such a fast-paced, high-stakes moment. While the potential rewards of acting quickly in response to Trump's move are clear, it's also important to consider the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. Firstly, the market is notoriously volatile. Even if Trump's push for clearer regulations ultimately benefits XRP, external factors such as global economic conditions, investor sentiment, and even unexpected news could cause sudden price swings. It's crucial to remember that cryptocurrency, including XRP, is still subject to extreme fluctuations, and no one can accurately predict how the market will respond in the short term. While the next 48 hours could lead to significant price movements, the reality is that the market can also correct itself quickly, especially if there's an overwhelming rush of buying or selling activity. Furthermore, the legal landscape for XRP remains a concern. Even if Trump's push for favorable regulations gains traction, it might not happen overnight. The process of passing new regulations and getting them into effect takes time. So while there's hope that Ripple's legal battles may come to a favorable conclusion soon, the ongoing legal risks are still something to be mindful of. The SAC case in particular could still pose a potential setback for XRP regardless of the immediate developments in the political arena. For investors, this means staying cautious while remaining optimistic about the opportunities. If you decide to act on the news, whether by buying more XRP or holding your position, make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved. Set clear goals for yourself, whether that's securing short-term profits or writing out a longer-term strategy. Be prepared to adjust your approach if things don't play out as expected. It's always a good idea to have an exit plan in place in case the market turns against you. In the final analysis, the next 48 hours could mark a turning point for XRP, but it's important to balance urgency with caution. The market's response to Trump's actions could very well redefine XRP's trajectory, but it's impossible to predict with certainty what will happen. The key to success in this situation is staying informed, being prepared for any outcome, and making thoughtful decisions based on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. The clock is ticking, but how you choose to act in these final hours will determine your position when the dust settles. As we move closer to the 48-hour mark, it's important to focus on the bigger picture and what this moment could mean for XRP.